Hi there. I suppose you have to watch this video because it's a part of your school lesson. But I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Barbara Persanti, and I'm a graphic designer for Fast Signs of Lake Worth. I need math in my everyday life. It doesn't matter what the job is. I'm going to turn my camera on so that we could just toggle through some of the jobs that it is that we've been working on the last couple of days. It's easiest if I just show you measurements. This is for a sneeze shield, sneeze guard. And these are measurements for a motorcycle chassis for hurricane racing. These are different corrugated plastic signs that will go on people's lawns for Mother's Day. That's why there's several of them that look very similar. These are dimensions for vinyl graphics and Max Metal for dump truck vehicles for a place that's called Go Forever Green. I could go through the examples, the listing of what it is that tons and tons of different types of materials and jobs that we have. This is for a laundromat for the vinyl graphics that would go on the door glass. And that's an example of what it would look like. We need to have the measurements of the area that it goes, or the surface area that it would need to go on. This would be an example of doing graphics for a vehicle. Be able to know how much material it is that we have, we would need for the vehicles. This is for a area that's called Woods Walk, and they're going to be resurfacing. This is the existing signage, what it looks like in the columns down below. We need to have the measurements to be able to determine how much material it is that we would need in order to resurface the walls. I'm going to toggle ahead to some other examples. Another wrap for college hunks on vehicles. More birthday and corrugated plastic yard signs. These would be elements inside the Wellington Green Mall for signage that will go up. New store that's going to be opening up soon. And I could just keep sitting here and toggle on probably for the next 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and just show you the many different banners and materials that it is that we use. I'm going to take you downstairs so that way you can see, at least through the window, some of the work that's being done. That is Carlos working with the configurations for our CET machine, replacing the blades. After there's some of our material that's coming inside, the corrugated plastic material delivery that's being made. And all these are the materials that we would use in order to create those yard signs, just like the one that it is that you had seen for the seniors and for the teachers. It's our business manager and our production manager. Some of the vinyl and materials that we would need to know what's going on different vehicles. We would need to know how much is in those rolls so that we would know how much to order. There's banners that are going to be going up for different hospitals and medical centers. You can see the numbers on the wall configuring how much you can see from a distance The 1 is a 1-inch letter, the 2 is a 2-inch, the 4 is a 4-inch, etc., etc. To give idea of volume.